Are you in calorie deficit but dreaming of dessert? I've been there, and I'm going to show you how your biggest craving can actually become your secret weapon. These 3 rice cake recipes are how you satisfy a sweet tooth without ever leaving your calorie budget. Hello guys, welcome to the channel where healthy meets heavenly. Let's start with our easiest treat, a superfood chocolate bar. It's all about crunchy base and that powerhouse topping. First, let's prepare our elements. I'm using a few almonds for crunch, some walnuts for that rich brain health fat. Chop them nicely as fine as you can. With our toppings ready, let's move fast. We will melt our chocolate and assemble. Melt about a quarter cup of dark chocolate. You can use microwave for 30 seconds or a double boiler. I'm using an air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius for 2 minutes. With our melted chocolate ready, let's open up our rice cake packet. Place a parchment paper. Now using a spoon, drizzle or spread a thin layer of that melted chocolate and then place a rice cake on top of it. Now drizzle some more melted chocolate and cover the rice cake fully with the melted chocolate. Now let's grab our prepared topping and sprinkle them generously over the wet chocolate. We are also using some seeds like sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds and cranberries to make it more colorful and appetizing. Having everything chopped and ready means you can garnish before the chocolate sets, so everything sticks perfectly. Now pop them in refrigerator to set. A delicious, textural, healthy, low in calorie treat ready in minutes. Next, if you love Reese's cup but not the sugar, these are for you. They are like satisfying crunchy peanut butter cups. In a bowl, mix 1 cup of melted peanut butter with 2 tablespoons of honey until smooth. Add chopped roasted peanuts for the extra crunch. Take some rice cakes, crumble them or put them in a chopper or chop them with a knife, whatever suits best for you. Add the chopped rice cake right into the bowl. Fold them in until you have thick crunchy mixture. You want it to hold together when pressed. Line a muffin tin with cupcake liners for easy cleanup. Press the mixture firmly into the bottom to form your cup base. Melt a little dark chocolate and pour a layer over the top of each cup. Freeze for at least 20 minutes until it sets. They store perfectly in the refrigerator. Use natural peanut butter without sugar and oil. It's high protein and very filling. Finally, this one feels the most like a decadent dessert with a creamy, fruity layer. Start by making your creamy filling. Mix Greek yogurt, honey and frozen blueberries in a small bowl. Greek yogurts add a protein punch and creamy texture. Press and crush some blueberries while mixing to get that vibrant pink color. Now let's build. On your parchment paper, place a small smear of melted chocolate and place rice cake on it. Then layer a spoonful of peanut butter mixture on top of it. Top with the second rice cake and press down gently to make a sandwich. Carefully drizzle our yogurt berry mixture on top of it and cover it up with the more melted dark chocolate, covering each part of it. Then freeze it for 15 minutes to set. Now, if you're making this ahead of time for meal prep, which I totally recommend, before consuming it, keep it for countertop for 5 minutes for the yogurt to get little soft. This way it tastes even better. So these are my 3 incredibly easy, healthy and delicious way to enjoy rice cake as a dessert. My personal favorite is the crunchy cups because they are like a little ready to eat snacks I can grab anytime. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoy these healthy swaps, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple healthy recipes every week. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.